This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. And there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here. The trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now.
Hey everyone, I'm on the fourth floor of the Beekman Place apartment. Just came out of this elevator. This building is located at 7020 Lombard Street. This is the hallway as you get out of the apartment. The hallway has a lot of windows. There's an exit on that side. There is another exit here. Here you have a trash chute. And I'm about to show you a gorgeous apartment, a 2-bedroom unit on a 4th floor. So apartment 405. As I open the door, the first thing you notice is this beautiful hardwood floor, very, very high ceiling. You have this hallway and it takes you to this huge living room. Big living room, and you have here a big window for the natural light, and over there you have a private, a covered outside space. I will show you that in a minute. Let me show you this side of the living room first. This beautiful floor you have here in this living room, a closet space. Nice size closet space. And you'll be looking out to the courtyard. From this window. That wall actually is your private area, and let's see what it looks like. Here you have a covered private area. Outside you got, here is a filter, I don't know, a screen I mean. I don't know if you could see it through the video, but this is the screen. There is a nice breeze actually today and it feels nice. You could see the city here from your private area. That is the courtyard. That's how you get into the building. This is what Philadelphia looks like. It's a beautiful city we have. And nice brick outside. Concrete floor. Then I'm coming back to the unit to show you the remaining parts. This is the living area. It's a very huge living area. The next space I would like to show you is the kitchen. Here you have the kitchen. On the right hand side you have gas stove with cooktop. There's an oven here. You have range hood. You have cabinet space on both sides. You have built-in microwave. You have a dishwasher. You have sink. Okay, you also have a garbage disposal. This is your kitchen. That is what your kitchen looks like. Then here, on my left hand side, I have one of the bedroom with a lot of storage space, closet. The first closet you see here, huge. Just close the door so that we could have a feel. And next to that you also have another closet. Big closet space. Then you have a closet space. In that closet space you have a washer and dryer in one of the bedrooms. And also you have these huge windows with beautiful view of the city. Amazing view. All right, the unit has, you could see a lot of natural light. And the next room I would like to show you is the bathroom. Bathroom, the first thing you see here is the toilet. Here you have a bath, a tap and shower combo. You have tile walls throughout. Nice tile. And a deep bathtub. It's a tile floor, beautiful tile floor. You also have a sink and medicine cabinet. big size bathroom. Then the front after the bathroom, there is in a hallway here. You have small closet space, additional storage area. Then you have the next bedroom, which is smaller in size than the other one, but it has two huge windows. It's a lot of natural light here, and you have this big closet space. This is the view from this bedroom. This bedroom is, the window is facing actually west. And this one is facing, no, this one is north. Facing north, the other one facing south. All right, I just showed you a 2-bedroom unit in the Bigman's place. This is a very nice building in one of very desirable neighborhood in Rittenhouse Square. The building is located at 1720 Lombard. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.